Hi, I'm Deanna Vitella Hayashi, and we're with Aquabio Environmental Technologies. And what we did today here at Santa Fe Dam was to put in a natural occurring bacteria formulation to help clean up the Santa Fe Dam, along with helping to reduce the amount of weeds. We did everything naturally. We also put in, not this time, but we are putting in a UV inhibitor, which also helps to reduce the sunlight that goes down and causes the lake to heat up.
So the idea is to treat it on a regular basis. As the material is deposited here, we would degrade it as it goes.
These are beneficial microbes which we use for helping to clean up the water. And what it does is it eats up the same nutrients that the weeds and the algae like to eat. It's also a probiotic, like having a yogurt for the fish. Let's head out on the other side of this island, and then right in that corner are going to be our worst locations where all the sediment and everything goes towards that part.
Dennis and Deanna of Aquabio are expected to return later this week to continue treating the waters. They hope to have the lake stabilized in about a month.
You don't want a sterile lake, we just want a living lake, but with less of this.
Aquabio was one of our leading companies that do it with microbes and ultraviolet treatments instead of chemicals. So from last week to this week, yeah, we've seen a remarkable difference. Just in the appearance, in oxygen levels, and weed growth. So it's been pretty incredible.
This is Tanya Shatila reporting for SGVN.